Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Happy Thursday. Every Thursday, we do get initial jobless claims. They were down 67,000 from last week to 847,000. Continual claims were down just over 200,000 to 4.7 million. So still a lot of people receiving unemployment benefits. This was a busy week this week. Earlier in the week, we did get appreciation data, which is from Case-Shiller, considered the gold standard of appreciation. That was up 9.5%. Case-Shiller also does a 20-city index, which rose from 7.9 to 9.1%. Some of the cities that were highlighted: Phoenix, 13.8% increase. Seattle, 12.7%. And San Diego, I love San Diego, but I thought everybody was moving out of California. That increased 12.3%. So still very strong in housing amongst this lack of inventory that we have. And there's some very optimistic forecast for 2021. Zillow's forecast is for a 10.5% increase in 2021. So we'll see what happens there. The Fed, they met yesterday. Jay Powell, he says the Fed's going to keep buying. Quick? He doesn't see 10% increase in housing as an issue. So let's keep buying, keep these rates low. Tomorrow we're going to get some inflationary data, so hopefully that doesn't hurt the bonds. That's coming from via PCE, which is the Fed's favorite measure of inflation. And then we're also going to get some new homes, some pending home sales, which are signed contracts for the month of December. We'll see what that kind of gives us a read for the future. So I'll get back to you and give you an update tomorrow. You have to have the commitment. If you're going to have the commitment to the amount of money that it's going to take to build that home, you have to have the commitment of time and energy by everybody involved. So if you want to know how to build your dream home, I'll tell you. Grab your phone, text or call me. It's simple. I'll tell you. Text or call me. Grab your phone. It's the fastest way of getting a hold of me.